Beneath the tattered black flags and over the roaring waves, pirate republics emerged as one of history's most unexpected economic systems. Far from the image of chaotic raiders driven only by greed, these outlaw communities created financial structures that rivaled the sophistication of early capitalist societies. In places like Nassau, New Providence, and even the semi-mythical Libertalia, pirates built microstates where profit, governance, and risk-sharing shaped every decision on deck. The foundation of these economies was speed. Pirates operated faster than any empire could react, turning mobility into a currency. A single swift raid could seize spices, silver, manufactured goods, or exotic cargo worth more than a year of honest wages. Yet the true innovation came afterward, the rapid liquidation of loot through shadow markets. Merchants, corrupt officials, and frontier settlers all bought pirate goods at discounted rates. This informal network created a parallel marketplace where traditional rules of price, risk, and legality were constantly renegotiated. But the beating heart of the pirate economy was the pirate code, a written constitution that governed shares, compensation, discipline, and democratic decision-making. Instead of strict naval hierarchies, crews operated like shareholder assemblies. Each member, regardless of rank, received a defined portion of the profits. Injuries were compensated through predetermined payouts, essentially an early form of workers' insurance. These rules dramatically reduced internal conflict and made each voyage operate with surprising organizational clarity. As the loot flowed, pirates created credit systems recognizable even today. Ship carpenters, taverns, arms suppliers, and informants extended credit to crews anticipating future hauls. Some voyages were even financed by investors on land who expected a percentage return, a crude but effective form of venture capitalism born in the shadows of empire. It is in this strange blend of crime and economic innovation that channels like Monetary Archivist find their deepest stories, moments where lawlessness and finance intersect in ways history rarely highlights. Pirate ports themselves became booming microeconomies. The sudden influx of wealth fueled taverns, markets, laundries, shipwrights, and blacksmiths. Prices inflated, fortunes were made overnight, and entire towns thrived by quietly accepting the black market tax base of piracy. Governors often faced a dilemma: enforce the law and starve the economy, or tolerate the pirates and let prosperity, however illegal, continue. Yet behind the adventure lies a darker truth. Pirate wealth was inseparable from the brutal systems of the 17th and 18th centuries, and many pirates traded in enslaved people or attacked slave ships for profit, feeding the same networks that fueled plantation economies. Their financial brilliance cannot be separated from the human suffering embedded in the trade routes they exploited. Pirate republics also pioneered legal manipulation. Forged bills of lading, counterfeit seals, and falsified cargo documents became tools for transforming stolen goods into legitimate merchandise. These bureaucratic hacks exposed how fragile empires' administrative systems truly were. By mastering paperwork, pirates exploited the very mechanisms meant to control them. On a global scale, piracy reshaped economics. Insurance rates fluctuated, shipping routes shifted, and empires invested heavily in stronger navies and more efficient fiscal states. The crackdown on piracy wasn't just moral outrage, it was economic strategy. Restoring secure trade meant restoring predictable revenue streams. Yet even after the golden age of piracy faded, its innovations endured. Profit sharing resembled modern equity systems. Injury payouts mirrored workers' compensation. Voyage financing anticipated venture capital. Pirate codes foreshadowed contract law. What appeared to be chaos was, in reality, a laboratory for shadow economy capitalism. In the end, pirate republics weren't just criminal enclaves. They were accidental architects of financial evolution. Their world was violent, unstable, and morally compromised, but it revealed a powerful truth. Wherever humans gather, even outside the law, they build economies, rules, and systems to turn uncertainty into opportunity. And that is why the hidden economics of pirate republics still matter today. They show how markets emerge not only from order, but from rebellion.